My name is Henry. I grew up in the kitchen baking with my mom. As I got older, I lost interest and went to go explore the world. Now I'm home trying to reconnect with my roots. This is baking with my mother.
Alright, we're doing key lime pie today. And we're gonna... Our videos, people love them, but they're running a little long. Like 20 minutes. Mainly because somebody doesn't know how to stop talking. So, we're gonna keep this one...
I'm just gonna mime.
Yeah, you can do sign language. Alright, so, start with the crust.
Yes.
Sweet.
Let's do it.
Alright, everything we need for the crust?
I don't know.
Butter, brown sugar, graham crackers, salt. It is everything we need for
Okay,
the crust.
that's an excellent recipe you have there.
It's off your website. Alright, everything's going in the food processor.
Okay.
You grind it up. It's the same.
Break them up a little bit.
It's the same as our cheesecake, right?
Yeah, so you actually have the ingredients this time.
Yeah. The last time we did.
Brown sugar. That is a pathetic pinch.
I don't. Yeah. When it calls for a pinch of salt,
Yes.
you should be more specific.
I know, but it's like a hearty pinch, not just like a baby pinch.
Alright.
There you go.
Everything in. Cap this off.
Okay.
And there we go. There we go. They're all mixed up. Let me grab a pie pan. And then same as cheesecake, right? Just pound it in.
Yep. Nope, you gotta twist it.
Break the thing.
No, it's already so broken.
Yeah, why don't you get a new one?
I have a new one, but I love this one. It's like 35 years old. And it's just like, it's me against the machine. Like which one of us will last longer? You gotta like get down in there. Here.
There we go. So let me just...
I'm gonna get you a glass to tap it in, but press it all up onto the sides as even as you can. I'll be right back.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah, that looks good.
Wait, hold on. Do it over here.
Okay.
That looking good?
Yeah, that looks great.
I didn't really play with sand a ton as a kid.
Dude, you were in the sand every day of your life for like 6 years.
I have zero recollection of that.
Every day we went down to the park and we played in the sand. We should be mad good at this skill. It's repressed, so you just have to bring it all back.
I repressed the memories of the sand.
Okay, not so hard because you're like banging it out of. Okay, so what you want to do is, the key here is that it all needs to be the same height and the same thickness. So see how you've got like a bald spot right there and tons over here. Here, hold on, stop.
I'm making sure to get the bottom like.
No, I know, but you want to make sure it's all even and then press it. You know what I mean? That looks great. But this side's too thin, so we gotta take some of this. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because the pie needs to sit evenly in the crust, and it also, if it's not even in the pan, it won't bake evenly.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, get your fingers in there, dude.
You kind of took over.
Alright, you do it, I'll watch. That looks good.
It looks good.
Yeah.
Alright,
Okay.
so now we're gonna grab the stuff for the filling.
Yep. I'll
Sweet.
take. No, you gotta bake this first.
Oh, how
So-
long does that bake?
This bakes. It's gotta get like nice and toasty.
Yeah.
So maybe about 10-15 minutes.
Alright.
The key is to read the entire recipe before you start baking, which I know you did. I know you did that.
Yeah, no, I definitely did that.
Dude.
Alright,
Okay.
we'll throw this in there. And then,
Don't speak.
while we do that, we can do the filling. Ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
Okay. So typically I do this in a stand mixer, but you can totally do it just in a bowl, but you want to microwave your cream cheese a little bit to
Sure.
soften it. What?
I don't know. The thought of microwave cream cheese is so gross.
No, it's not. It just softens it so that you can put it in the bowl.
And then I just dump everything in.
Yeah, no. You want to make sure that your cream cheese is soft, so just give that a whirl. Yeah,
that's
see?
nice and soft.
That's nice and soft.
This stuff's.
But you want to make sure you get all that. The recipe. Okay, great. Now do your yolks.
Okay.
Yeah, you can just do it all. Give that a good whisk. Yeah, see? If you hadn't microwaved your cream cheese, that would be so lumpy right now.
Alright, what?
That was a gift from your mother.
Yeah, I'm just gonna pretend I didn't hear it. And then
I'll drizzle you.
Eagle brand.
It is my favorite.
Alright.
Okay. Philadelphia cream cheese and Eagle brand. Sweet and Skim milk.
We're not sponsored by either.
No, we're not, but they are my favorite.
And if they want to sponsor.
And if they want to.
Got no issue with that. And do you always drizzle it in while you're doing that?
Well, yeah, because then, no, I mean, it's, you know, it incorporates easier if you do a little bit at a time, for sure. But this is so thick that it probably would be fine. Okay, so.
Arms short.
What? Come on. Don't work out.
Okay, then
Okay.
the key lime juice?
Yeah, now the cool thing about this is that when you add the lime juice to this sloshy mixture, it kind of thickens it up.
Really?
Yeah.
How's that work?
Because the acids in there coagulate the
You making that up?
protein in the cream cheese. Totally just made that up, but it doesn't make sense.
If I didn't know you, I would have believed it.
No, it is true. True-ish. Okay. Salt. There. That's it. Could that not be any easier? That's it? That's all that's in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Okay, so we just wait until your crust is ready, and then we can pour it in and bake it.
Awesome.
And it doesn't bake for that long. It's really an easy, super fast recipe.
All right.
Cool.
I don't know where you're going.
Look at your crust. Here.
Pick this out
Okay, good.
and
Perfect.
manage to not bump the sides with my thumb.
Good. Okay, so putting it on a baking sheet is key because once you put this in, it gets all sloshy and it's just easier to carry it to the.
And this looks like it's thickening up already.
Yeah, see? That's my acid and.
The thing you made up.
Okay,
All right.
yeah, just pour it in.
Yeah, this looks great. And is it gonna expand in the oven?
Oh, yeah, a little bit.
All right.
Not a lot. No, it's not gonna like.
Overflow.
No.
But you
And-
think it'll go up to the top?
Nope. No, we're gonna have to make this is maybe a deeper dish pie plate than we needed, but it's okay. We're gonna.
Oh, it looks good.
Yeah, it looks great. And then we'll just add some whipped cream and stuff. Just, or you can just pour it all out.
Here, I'll just take a picture of it and then I'll flash the picture up on the screen so they can see it. Because you're not gonna be able to see it right.
Sure.
Alright. What's up? Oh my god.
What? Did you not turn the camera on?
Didn't put the mic on the top of the camera.
Oh, so they can't hear any of this?
Well, I'm sure they can hear some of it. Alright, the audio quality is about to get a lot better in 10 seconds. Okay.
Is it on?
Alright. Hopefully that sounds a lot better. This is only like our what?
This is number 5, right?
Yeah, we should have this figured out by now, but still learning. So
You were concentrating way too much on how much I talk.
A little, honestly.
and not how loud it is.
Which is your fault in proportion, because if I weren't concentrating on that, then I would have realized, so. Do I put this in the oven now?
Yes.
Alright.
Want me to help you?
Yeah, and how long?
Until it's done.
Alright, here it is. Oh, this oven is terrible. It's burning my fingers. It's a little bit jiggly.
Yeah.
That's how it's supposed to be,
Yeah,
right?
that's fine. Yep.
Alright, perfect.
Smells great.
Yeah,
And so how long was that?
Only in there for 10 minutes.
Oh, just 10?
Let it sit for 15 minutes.
Okay.
So this recipe is like 30 minutes long, realistically.
Yeah,
You
that's
could
great.
start it and have it done in 30 minutes. So let's let this sit and then we'll throw some berries and stuff on top.
Whipped cream.
Sweet?
Berries. Awesome. Looks awesome then. Wearing it like on half of your body.
I know.
Pretty good.
I'm
Okay.
fairly impressed with myself. My arm only hurts a tiny bit.
Let me get
Yeah, I'm sort of wearing it all over.
yeah.
Let's get this on here.
Yep. Okay. You need a rubber spatula. Here you go. So you could pipe this and make it pretty, or you can just dump it on.
I'm just going with the dump method.
Okay.
Oh shit.
What? So half this video is going to be with sound and half without.
No, it still has sound. The sound quality just isn't very good without it. I'm gonna have to go in the closet to do
Voiceover.
Yeah, should we just voice over the whole thing?
Sure. That would be a good experiment. Okay.
Alright.
Well, you gotta get it all on there. I mean, you didn't even make that much to begin with. I like a nice big pile. I'm gonna throw it out.
I just made
Should we try that again?
I just made enough to even it out.
What does that even mean?
Like you can see we've got this lip here.
Yeah.
I just wanted enough to like even it out to the lip. Okay, I didn't even make enough to do that.
Yeah. You need a good amount.
Well, we didn't have any more
Can I
whipping
show
cream.
you?
Yeah.
Okay.
And show me how to do that.
Yeah. Is you just like you push it just kind of with the tip, not flat on there. You know what I mean?
So why is it so long?
Well, because it's not only for this purpose. We can do other things with it too. It's just for moving. You want to just kind of.
Looks really good.
Yeah, looks yummy, right? Okay.
Awesome.
Nice.
I'm
Well,
starving, so
Are you?
let's cut into this thing. It looks really beautiful. And I've got to say, I'm very impressed with how quickly that recipe goes.
I know.
It was like start to finish. Like today is day 2, but we finished the recipe start to finish in like, what, 45 minutes?
Yeah, about that.
Yeah, because it takes about
Presentation matters,
30 minutes for the beginning.
right?
And then you bake for 6 to 10 and then, yeah, 15
Oh,
more
I
minutes to
would
cool
say it
it.
was 10 to 15 by the time
10,
we got
yeah.
it out of there. 10 to 15 minutes.
But still, it's still super short.
So fast. Right.
Not many ingredients
You
needed.
want to do the honors?
I'm notoriously not very good at this.
Okay. So, I know this was your idea, but key lime pie is my absolute all-time favorite.
Love it.
Yep. You know who else's favorite it is?
Who?
Here, I brought you this if you want. Is Andrew Zimmern, and I noticed that he had just done a key lime pie on his
Yeah, it didn't
Instagram.
miss that.
Did you just say it didn't look as good as this?
No.
Oh.
Trying to get.
Okay, that's your piece.
It definitely didn't look as good as. I'll let you handle your own. Yeah, let's try this.
Oh.
It's got a pretty color too.
Is it yummy?
Yeah, that is so good. I gotta say, for a 45-minute video, or not video, 45-minute recipe,
Yeah. Yeah.
that came out really awesome.
It looks great.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Mm-hmm. Usually I would like do grate a little bit of lime zest over the top just to like perk up that, but it doesn't need it.
This is great.
This is awesome.
Thank you guys for watching. I know this is a bit of a goofy video because of the sound and everything, but
And because you wouldn't let me talk.
I let you talk. I let you talk a ton. But like, subscribe. Last week we had sort of a weird upload just because there was a bunch of stuff going on, but we're back to our normal upload schedule. Probably doing granola for the next video.
That'd be awesome.
Yeah. So yeah, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you guys so much for watching.